Hi, Jean here. Really excited to be showing today some of the things you can do with wpdecorator. Now, I have configured my settings in the dashboard of WordPress. I'm now on my site, logged in as admin. Click on this Add Decoration button and an image selection panel comes up at the bottom. These images in the panel are all associated with the group that has been selected at the top. We now can click an image and a pop-up will allow us to choose what element in the page we want to add the image to. We can then click and drag the image and place it anywhere we like. You'll notice the element is highlighted while I'm clicking and dragging the image. We also have a pop-up associated with the image where you can adjust the opacity of the image if you choose. We can decide whether we want the image to hang or not. We can make it sticky, which will have it show on every page on our site. If it's no, then it will only show on the page that you've placed it on. We can resize the image, we can rotate the image. Okay, now some other things we can do here. I have added to this image in the back end some code, just choosing where I want this. Now the code I have put in this image in the back end is actually an opt-in code, so then you can place this anywhere you like and your visitors can pop their email address in there and subscribe. Okay, now one other thing I have to show you here is in this image I have placed an embed code for a YouTube video. I've also adjusted the size of the video in the code before I put it in there. You can see the video is about to play. We can drag this and have it anywhere we like. Now, I would also like to show you a quick look at some of the other things we can do here. Now, this is in the admin panel. We can have a default link that is on all our images. You possibly don't want to do that if you're going to have an opt-in form because that will affect the working of that, because if somebody clicks on an image they will go to that link. We have a setting for screen resolution, we have a setting that allows you to show all your elements. We can add groups here, and then we have the manage decorations page when it pops up. Now in this page you can manage all your images in their different groups, and they're all displayed in a carousel which allows you to go through and just put in the settings for your different images. In here you can custom dates, you can have the image slide in from left to right on the page, you can set a holiday. In this field you can put some code in the image, and that would mean the code would show on the page instead of the image. We can upload a zip file, we can add existing images to different groups, and we can also, if you have a group and you've got it all set up on your site, you can also export that group with all of its settings associated and import it into another installation of wpdecorator. And yes, we can also set individual links for images here, and so it doesn't matter what link you put in there. If your visitor comes along and they click on your image, they'll go to whatever it is linked to. Okay, so thank you very much for taking the time to watch, and hope you enjoy.